discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Can you give me a rundown for the video intro real quick?
Yeah.
I know you got a lot of demos.
Okay, so I got 6 Platform 5 PSI 15s on 6 Sundown 7500s, and they're all ran at a half ohm. I got 3 CES 390 billet alternators, externally regulated, and 6 of their 80 amp hour LTO lithiums. Also 10 banks of excess power caps.
And what is it meter?
Almost a 66.
Awesome. Congrats, man.
Yeah.
Impressive.
Almost there.
Yeah. What are you peaking at?
Right about 39.
Dude, under 40 hertz?
Yeah.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you.
No problem.
Nice to meet you, too.
Yeah,
I've seen it all over Facebook.
Thank you.
Sorry, excuse me. Oh man, no, you're good. Do your thing. That's a lot. What was your name?
Josh.
Josh Tapp. You tap.
find you a different song. I was just trying to change it up for a second.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.